पता है कि वो इंटर्न है, उसको कुछ नहीं पता क्लिनिकल का, लेकिन तब भी उसके लिए हु इज द लीडर? डॉक्टर साहब इज द लीडर. So do not bring disrepute to this Dr. Saab tag by shouting at the nurse, by shouting at the technician, by shouting at your paramedic staff, because in times to come they know far, far more than you and me, because it's a matter of practice, it's a matter of years. An OT technician who has given 35 years in the OT possibly knows far more, correct me if I'm wrong sir, than a first year postgraduate MS surgery who has just ventured for the first time, who doesn't even know how to scrub properly. OT technician को ज़्यादा पता है. Ego कभी मत आने देना. But you will be leaders. Have that role and responsibility. जब नाइट पे तुमको बोला जाएगा कि अब तुम इंटर्न संभालेगा 3 बजे से 5 बजे सुबह तक का कैजुअलिटी का वार्ड या कैजुअलिटी, तब तुम लीडर हो. तब कोई पेशेंट लेफ्ट साइडेड प्रिकॉर्डियल पेन करके आएगा और तुम उसको एक्यूट गैस्ट्राइटिस समझ के वापस घर भेज दो, तो क्या होगा? That man will die because you thought that it's better to sleep for half an hour. Let's take a nap for half an hour. If you don't behave like a leader and stand there, नर्स को बोलो कि ट्रॉप टी टेस्ट करो, नर्स को बोलो कि 12 लीड ECG करे और खुद सीखो. बोलोगे तब जब तुमको खुद आता होगा. अब तुमको खुद ही नहीं आएगा तो तुम नर्स को क्या बोलोगे? आपको हर किसी को, irrespective of the fact that you want to be orthopedicians and ophthalmologists and surgeons, you must know the basics of medical science. Each one of you should know how to read an ECG, because that a doctor who cannot read an ECG is not worth enough. You should know how to handle situations, and that will come only with knowledge and experience. Experience you will gain now. If you don't have knowledge and you've been passed by some graciousness by some HOD, that will be costly to you and the patient. Never trust on anybody's graciousness. Trust only on your own intellect and knowledge. तो जो चीज़ अभी नहीं आती है, अगर फाइनल ईयर पास भी कर लिया और ECG पढ़ना नहीं आता है, उसको पढ़ो. 12 लीड ECG नहीं करना आता है तो वो ECG टेक्नीशियन से सीखो. अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज़ नहीं आती है, एक्सरे करना नहीं आता है, तो एक्सरे करना सीखो. Be a holistic doctor. Then you will be a leader. Then you will command respect. Otherwise तुम चिल्लाते रह जाओगे मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करो. Nobody gives a hoot to you for you saying that मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. Earn that respect. Command that respect. You should always know more. Number 6, your next role and very important role is a lifelong learner. If one of you becomes knowledge proof and thinks that, well, I have now read, and in that arrogance does not read further, he or she is gone and destroyed. Medical science is a annually, monthly, weekly, daily changing science. What medical science was 20 years back, medical science is not now. Medical science is advancing day in, day out. Please keep refreshing your knowledge. If you become knowledge proof, you are gone for a toss. Lifelong learner बनने की ज़रूरत है. Healthcare is constantly evolving. Professional development should be constantly evolving. In our times, 22 years back, when I ventured into Jalshanam.